Hi everybody, it's day 22. So for this day, I decided to make a pine cone. Here's the pine cone example. And here's what I made. So mine is not as full as hers because I ran out of this yarn, but that is my little pine cone. And I'll put little thing in the front. Since I ran out of the yarn, she made hers like with a string at the top. I'm just gonna put this hook. I can get it in here. Okay, while I do this, my movie suggestion for the day is one that is a movie Christmas classic, Home Alone. I loved it as a kid, still love it as an adult. And then the song suggestion is, what's the song suggestion? Oh, Merry Christmas Baby by Otis Redding. Soulful Christmas song. It's fun too. So yeah, let's put this little pine cone. I gotta loosen it. It's a little tight, so we'll loosen it up a little bit. But that's my pine cone. We'll put that right here, right next to the Christmas tree. All right, let's start with the advent calendar. The chocolate keeps falling. Let's start with this. So day 22. It's another long box. So let's see what's in here. So this is what we have. If you see my confused face, I don't know what this is. So confused face. Let's see what it says. A cable needle. The curved U shape of this needle is excellent to keep your cable stitches in place on the curve of this tool. Okay. So something new I've never had before. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Oh no, one more thing. I forgot to do the little chocolate calendar. Let's see what's in here. Day 22. Bet it's an egg. Shocker. It's a little egg. All right. So that is the end of the video. Bye, guys.